Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance woes into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Kenmore washer error code E13. That's the one that pops up on your 2025 models and might be leaving you with a machine that's not filling up with water. If you're scratching your head wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. Let's get straight to it. First off, what does error code E13 actually mean? In Kenmore washers, E13 typically signals a problem with the water inlet system. This could be due to issues like low water pressure, a kinked hose, or even a faulty inlet valve. It's the washer's way of saying, "Hey, I can't get the water I need to start the cycle." Don't panic. This is a common issue and often fixable at home. So, how do we troubleshoot this? Start by checking your water supply hoses. Make sure they're not twisted, kinked, or blocked. If everything looks good there, double-check that the water valves behind your washer are fully turned on. Sometimes, they might be partially closed, which restricts the flow. Next, inspect the inlet screens or filters on your washer. These can get clogged with debris over time, so give them a good clean. If your home has low water pressure, that could be the culprit too. Try running other faucets to see if the pressure is consistent. Once you've done that, reset your washer by unplugging it for a few minutes or turning off the power at the circuit breaker. This can clear temporary glitches. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you might need to look into replacing the inlet valve or calling a professional technician. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the machine before messing with any internal parts. There you have it. By following these tips, you should be able to banish that E13 error and get your Kenmore washer back in action. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.